Look at this mess here! We need to do something about this.
We have to organize this or something.
Great idea. Get me 2 cardboard strips, and I will make these.
Cardboard strips coming right up! Whoa, I will fall down like that.
I got this! Now, we're gonna stick the cardboard strip onto one of the pieces I made. Like this, all the way along the edges. Look, we already have 2 compartment trays.
It reminds me of a pizza box. Ooh, now I'm hungry. Let's have a snack.
Next, we need a bigger piece of cardboard. We will also use our good old glue gun again. Be careful with it, by the way. This strip goes to the side, and this is what you should get. We're moving on to the next step.
You can use this to cover the edges, Sue. Aha!
Thank you, Sammy. We will need quite a lot of tape. Sammy, hold it straight, please.
I'm doing my best, Sue.
The sides of the cardboard are so much neater now. Let's assemble everything.
Genius! I've never seen drawers like these before in my life.
Thanks, I'm flattered. We need 4 cardboards of this shape and size.
These look familiar. Didn't we use them earlier today already?
Yes, Sammy, that's right. It's a similar step like before, but this time I need something to hold them up. Any ideas?
I know just the things.
Great, I can make a few marks now. We need to draw these lines to align the compartments evenly. Here we go. Now we need some glue again. And after a few seconds of gluing, we get this. The last piece goes on top. We put together the 2 finished parts and arrange a few little compartments on the top. Don't forget to add white stripes to the edges. Voila! Looks great. Now for the fun part, coloring! But first, we need a base paint so that the colors come out much better.
I want to color too, Susie. You know how I like this. Oh, that was easy.
In the meantime, I will make our organizer yellow, just like the bright, bright sun in the sky.
Susie, I'm pink. I mean, all done.
Good job, Sammy. And I decided that we can't do without some orange. Here comes one more piece. Easy peasy. And don't forget about the colorful shelves.
Wow, it looks as if a rainbow is in the room. So bright, so colorful.
I know, right? But we're still not done yet. Let's add even more colors.
I also made these to secure the trays.
Great thinking! Let's attach them right here. Check this out! I know, we also need a handle. And even more colors! This texture is so pretty! And this color combination even makes me feel so happy! Let's attach these doors to the sides. This is the right place. It's organizing time, friends. Sam and I love this part the most.
Let me help you with this, Sue. I want to arrange these markers first.
Of course, Sammy. Let's do it.
Make way!
Whoa, easy, Tiger. You really have a lot of stationery. But there is enough space for it. Now we need a few pieces of foam paper as the parting instruments. We'll just glue them between the markers, like this. It is not hard at all. Add this strip of foam paper will serve as a top holder. I will glue it like this, and we're done here.
That's the level of organization I need. Keep working, Sue.
Your wish is my command. All that's left to do is to make a few cuts between the partitions. This way! Just be careful with the cutter, friends. We're almost done here. Just a few more cuts. Oh, and we'll also need to make some sort of a shelf down here. There, it's so handy. I already did the same way with the other tray. See?
Yippee! This is the moment I've been waiting for! I want to store all my stationery there. I'll be right back!
Let's put the sticky notes here. There is enough space for all kinds of them. Now we need to add another holding element. Watch my hands, friends. It's gonna be easy and very functional. Now the glues go here.
Sue, I'm done too. Come check this out.
Wow, Sammy, great job! But there is some space left. We can add even more colorful stationery to this side. You're already familiar with this method. Would you look at this? Amazing!
Sue, this is bad! We totally forgot about the top part!
Don't worry, Sammy. I have everything under control. We'll make some special holders now. It will be some sort of a cup for pens and pencils. I'm using really small scissors here to make it look neat. We've made a lot of these cups. They are so cute. Don't you think so? Let's make another small section here. It makes a perfect place to store the tapes. All kinds of them, actually.
Phew, and I added my special design.
You are so creative. A few final touches, and we'll have a final look at our rainbow organizer. Thanks for being with us today, friends. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We love you. Bye-bye.